Mastering vocabulary with word and frequency lists. Hello there, language learners. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most effective tools to boost your vocabulary for tests like the GMAT and GRE, word lists and frequency lists. If you've been on the hunt for ways to expand your vocabulary, you're in the right place. Word lists are collections of words curated for specific purposes, such as preparing for an exam. They focus on a particular domain or topic and are often paired with definitions, example sentences, and sometimes even synonyms and antonyms. Frequency lists, on the other hand, are collections of words ranked by how often they appear in a specific dataset, like books, newspapers, or test samples. These lists help you prioritize which words to learn first, ensuring that you're learning the most commonly used words in your target context. Both the GMAT and GRE have a verbal section that tests your vocabulary in context. Here's why these lists are vital. 1. Focused learning. With word lists tailored for these tests, you eliminate the guesswork and study what's relevant. 2. Prioritize your study. By using frequency lists, you know which words appear most often, so you can focus on those first. 3. Build confidence. Knowing you're studying the right words gives you confidence as you tackle practice questions and the real test. Now that you know their importance, let's look at how to use them effectively. 1. Daily review. Dedicate a set amount of time each day to review and memorize a certain number of words. This consistency is crucial. 2. Practice in context. It's not enough to just memorize words. Try using them in sentences or look for them in articles or books. 3. Use mnemonics. Associating words with images or stories can make them stick in your mind. For example, for the word benevolent, you could picture a kind Ben giving out gifts. 4. Test yourself. Use flashcards or apps that allow you to review and test your knowledge of the words you've learned. Boosting your vocabulary is a surefire way to improve your scores on the verbal sections of the GMAT and GRE. With word lists and frequency lists, you're arming yourself with focused tools for effective learning. We hope you found this video enlightening, and wish you the best of luck in your test preparation journey. Until next time, keep learning and growing.